clients ask, as part of the matrimonial process, how much maintenance am I entitled to? And the general answer is it depends. It depends on the facts and circumstances of the particular case. And every case turns on its own set of facts and circumstances. Durational maintenance is maintenance that's established for a set period of years. 5 years, 6 years, 7 years. And in that frame of time, that person is working on reestablishing a career that they had let go of to stay home and take care of the children. For example, a teacher. The wife may have stopped teaching so she could stay home and raise the children, and now this is an opportunity for her to refresh her license and get back into teaching, find a job. The maintenance gives her a cushion so that she gets to the point at the end of, let's say, 5 years, where she then can be self-supporting. It's also an opportunity for a spouse to go to college, to obtain a career, to become a nurse, to become a paralegal, a court reporter, and go out and earn a living. And at the point in time where the durational maintenance ends, it's enough time for that person to have established themselves in their new career. There's also something called non-durational maintenance, and those we see with respect to marriages that have been 30, 35, 40 years, what's called a vintage marriage. And there are those marriages where the wife, for example, stayed home to take care of the children. Maybe she worked part-time at a drugstore as a cashier, or she worked in a beauty salon as a receptionist, or in a medical office as a receptionist, and never earned maybe more than $200 or $300 a week, and didn't do it consistently enough where she's established a career for herself, and maybe had no college. And at a later age in life, it would be difficult, if not impossible, for that person to obtain employment that would sustain them so that they could be self-supporting for the rest of their lives. So we would look to something called non-durational maintenance and add into that any pensions that would be coming or any Social Security that would be coming, so that we can safely establish that person's means to survive for the remainder of their lives.